Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
I tērā wiki I hinga a Gisborne Boys High School kia Palmerston North Boys High. Te rima tukau mātahi ki te waru. Kia reira ngā nama. Here we go, Gisborne Boys High School, yes! He piro. I kōkiri whakamua. Rā Joshua Kuso. Te masi mata ele. O, tā haitia te poro. Ka hoki atu ki te hāmene. Ko tēnei a Ruan Ludwig. O te whana hāmene, ai, kua piro. Tēnei rārangi rima mita, mai te rārangi piro. Gisborne Boys High School. Hamblin. Oh, where? Ludwig. Te whana poto. Ke reira te poro, Napier Boys High School. He makaroa. O ko ai tēnei. He piro mā Napier Boys High School. Tēnei te piro tuatahi mā rātou. Oh, but a very late call. Straight off the bench to Bo. Out the tier, stormed the tier. Ludwig. Ki wahora ki Ormsby Kins! He's got there! I te kokonga. Anakin. The next player could go to the bin. Anaya McLaughlin. Anaya Malani. Malani ka reira ia. He piro. Te kāpene mō Napier Boys High School. Te rapia ka mōro. Kau. O he whiua poto engari. Tai hora. It's a free kick for Gisborne Boys High. It looks as though it was either a crooked throw or didn't quite make the 5 metre line. And kua toa a Gisborne Boys High School.
everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Hata ya tuki mai iwi.
Cause they down with this.